We really need to get a better understanding of why inclusion and treating all children as individuals and like the rest of all typically able children is so important.
I think it's gaining a deeper understanding of what's out there really. Opportunities to training, opportunities to share knowledge with other agencies, other providers.
To network, learn a lot more about inclusivity in like early years and a little bit more about sending out to best support young children in the early years sector.
Came to share my knowledge and expertise and mingle with everybody here and network.
I'm the type of person who constantly likes learning new skills, how I can improve things. And even with the different stalls here as well, I've got quite a lot of information from there. And I've already had a look at different opportunities and signed up to some as well.
I have won the Childminder of the Year award. It means the absolute world to me. I've been a childminder for 16 years now. It's my passion.
I was very thrown back. It was really nice to win the award. I'm definitely very thrilled.
I do put all of my hard work into it and my effort into it. I love what I do and I'm just glad that my colleagues thought it as well.
My tutor that supported me through my Level 3 Senko course nominated me for the award. So really, really proud and very surprised.
I feel like I've learned a lot. It's been nice to see some of the speakers up, especially like Dingley's Promise, the training that's been provided.
It's been absolutely amazing. There's a lot of information I've already gained. I've made a load of notes and I'm just going to be sharing that with my staff.
I've loved hearing everyone's story about inclusive practice, how we can promote inclusion.
This has been absolutely amazing. Really, really good tips to take back to my colleagues and the children that we've got in nursery right now.
Today's conference has been really good. I'm so glad I came. All the speakers were fantastic and it's just nice to be in a room with people that do the same job as you and just reconnect and get that energy back to go back to the coalface next week.
It's been amazing. I'm leaving feeling really inspired. I've learned loads of really important information from all the speakers and I've had some great conversations. So yeah, I'm going away feeling lit up and inspired.